Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing, or as usual in the middle of the night. And looking like shit actually. This is the first time I've sit down all day. So here we have the Air Jordan 5 Island Green Singles Day. It was released this Saturday, and it's a limited edition shoe, limited production, etc., etc. But they're actually still available. And to my surprise, first of all, this is my first Singles Day sneaker. Very cool that they have Tiffany blue Jordan box. This is a first. Really cool. This is my first Singles Day sneaker, and that's only because that all the earlier, maybe not the Air Jordan 4 from last year, but all other Singles Day models have been women's only and Asian only released in Asian, China, Japan. But these doesn't have a Singles Day love team at all. And oh, they're nice. And as I said, to my surprise, the Air Jordan 13, that is Air Jordan 13 variation of the Tiffany Dunks, sold out instantly. Actually, I did not expect that. 13s are usually not popular. They don't look, smells kind of different. They look maybe a bit much, so I was expecting them to go on sale actually. But they sold out instantly, and I missed them because I thought they were going to be released on Saturday as usual, but they were released Thursday, I think, and these came Saturday. And I got these super easy. Usually when I buy something from Nike, you enter the raffle and you will have to wait half an hour, 40 minutes before you know if you got the shoes or not. I got confirmation like 4 minutes later that I got the shoe. So there's a weird smell, but it's not leather. I'm guessing it's not. Because I'm gonna show you why. This is a reflection shoe, and for some reason people I love reflection shoe at 3M, but people don't seem to like them. The Reflections of a Champion pack that I got, the 3 of them, they are on sale in every size, like everywhere, and I bought them over retail actually. So this is the Air Jordan 5 Island Green Singles Day. We have special paper with the same print that are supposed to look like island palm leaves, I think. And the super cool Tiffany green, people call it Tiffany blue, but for me it's green. Tiffany green Jordan box. Where does that smell come from? It smells funny, not bad, but not as the usually smell. Maybe a bit much, maybe a bit too much glue smell maybe, but the quality is nice. As I said, it's not leather. I'm not sure, but I really don't think it is. So maybe that's. They almost smell like cereals. So on the inside we have the island green sole, and I'm gonna show you a bit closer. The inside have this like pattern on it. Looks kind of cool. Then we have sort of, well, the tongue is Tiffany green, not 3M, I think. Then we have the, or we call island green on the ventilation Yeah, it's all plastic, so it's not worth the money. I paid, since everything is more expensive in Sweden, I guess I paid about $240. It's not worth that. But they're super cool because of the reflection. Like this, they just look white, I think. You can see a small pattern, looks like snow camo. I would like the sole to be glow in the dark, because I know that Nike has this color on one of the glow in the dark soles. So yeah, island green, Tiffany green or white, looks nice. Air Jordan 5, smells funny, or probably not leather underneath. But now to the cool thing. I'm going to show you. I don't remember how I did last time, but if I turn down all the lights and put on the flash on the camera, maybe we will see the flashing thing. Yeah, there we have it. Now you can see the 3M. So when you take photos of these with the flash, you see that the shoe are invert, because these spots are more white than the other without the flash, and with the flash you see that the rest of the shoe is 3M, really glowing, reflective, and you see the spots much more. I don't know what the spots are supposed to be palm leaf, but I would say snow leopard maybe. But this is super cool. I really like this. You see on my other shoes that are 3M, but people don't seem to like this because the other 3M shoes are on sale. These did not sell out, and soon we have the Air Jordan 1 Zoom that are also reflective, and we're gonna see how they do, because the Air Jordan 1 is super hyped now, and if they don't sell out, I'm guessing we won't see any more 3M shoes from Nike in a long time. And yes, the tongue is also 3M, just as it's supposed to be on our Air Jordan 5. All Air Jordan 5 are supposed to have 3M tongue, if I have something to say. So let's turn on the lights again. So you won't see the inside, but the inside is green. You can't see anything. And we have this sort of pattern on the inside, sort of almost like carbon fiber or something. So that's a nice touch as well. Otherwise, the lace lock is just clear and white. I really don't like to film that close. But yeah, a nice shoe. Not worth the money because it's not leather. I'm not sure about that, but it really doesn't feel like leather. Maybe underneath something else. But usually when a shoe is fully 3M, it's not leather. And I don't think I'm going to use them that much actually, but a reflective shoe, I just couldn't say no. And this is super cool, the Tiffany box. Now I want the Air Jordan 13 even more, but as I said, they are sold out, and I hate to pay resale. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. Ask me any question if you want about the shoes. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, share, comment, hit the bell button, etc. etc. Thanks. Good night.